Study with Little Bean.
Birds. Part 3. Seagull. Fly over the blue ocean. Eat fish and small crabs. Make loud squawking sounds. Walk along the beach. Live near seasides. Pelican. Have big water pouches. Catch fish with large bills. Fly low over water. Live in warm coasts. Work together in groups. Albatross. Fly very far distances. Spread big, long wings. Live on open oceans. Glide smoothly in wind. Eat fish and squid. Puffin. Have colorful beaks. Dive deep for fish. Live on cold islands. Walk funny on land. Fly fast over waves. Penguin. Cannot fly in air. Swim fast underwater. Walk with short steps. Live in cold places. Eat fish and krill. Turn. Fly gracefully above water. Catch fish midair. Make sharp, short calls. Travel long distances. Rest on rocks. Booby. Dive quickly for fish. Have bright blue feet. Live on warm islands. Make funny dances. Build nests on cliffs. Frigate bird. Fly high with big wings. Steal food from others. Have red throat pouches. Stay long in the air. Live near tropical oceans. Gannet. Dive fast into water. Eat fish underwater. Live on sea cliffs. Fly in large groups. Have bright white feathers. Cormorant. Dive deeply for fish. Stretch wings to dry. Sit on rocks by water. Have long, slender necks. Live near coasts. Shearwater. Glide low over waves. Fly long ocean journeys. Nest in ground burrows. Eat fish and squid. Travel in huge flocks. Petrel. Fly during storms. Stay above rough waves. Have gentle gliding wings. Live far from land. Eat small sea life. Hawk. Swim like small penguins. Dive for fish. Live on cold rocky islands. Walk slowly on land. Fly with quick wings. Kittiwake. Live on sea cliffs. Make soft, high calls. Fly above cold waters. Eat small fish. Build nests on ledges. Osprey. Catch fish with sharp claws. Fly over rivers and seas. Build large high nests. Dive feet first into water. Have bright yellow eyes.
Subscribe to Studies with Little Bean channel.